Hey, it's Greg with eXp Realty, and I'm out here in Horizon West at one of the best neighborhoods that you can find in the state of Florida. This is extremely important for people that are moving down here. There are people coming in from all over the world. So I want to show you some of the model homes that I'm going to go through here and tell you a little bit about this neighborhood. I've lived here for 36 years. I've seen everything get built out. But this is a very, very impressive area. We have brand new schools on one section of the neighborhood, and not far across the street, there's a brand new high school that opened a couple years ago. And we're also on a very beautiful lake. Very beautiful. Very impressive model home. Everything out here is just amazing. This is the bedroom when you walk in the front door. Got a nice bathroom. With a shower. And there's another nice room as well. Look at the flooring that you get. Gorgeous flooring. And everything in here is very, very nice. There's the third bedroom. And we have another bathroom. There's thousands of homes that have been built or are getting built out here in this area. It's one of the fastest growing areas in the United States. This is the laundry room. And then you got the kitchen and a living room, which opens up, so that's nice. Nice open space. The thing I like about this neighborhood is there are 3 community pools, 2 different gyms. There's a lot of stuff that's out here. And here's the master bedroom. Master bathroom. Just one of many. But everybody seems like they want to move to Florida. Get a hold of me. I would love to be able to help anybody out. Nice backyard. And anybody that likes Disney World or any of the theme parks, we're actually very close. Surprisingly, we're only about maybe 7 miles away from the back entrance to Disney World, which can take you to all the parks. That's a big draw to this area, but it's a great area for a lot of people that just want to move to Florida. We're near the highways, brand new hospitals being built, and everything else. Get a hold of me. I'd love to be able to help you. Thank you for watching.